What's up, guys? Today, I am super excited to introduce you to yet another amazing app that will pay you money every single day just for having an internet connection. This app is literally like magic. All you have to do is download the app, install it, and then you just let it run in the background. That's it. Even if you don't have any skills, you don't need to invest any money, and you don't even need to spend any time. You can just let this app run in the background, and it will literally make you money on complete autopilot. So definitely stay tuned till the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we'll be reviewing an app called Honeygain that will pay you money for just sharing your internet connection. Now you might be wondering, what is Honeygain and how does it actually work? Well, let me explain. Honeygain is a crowdsourced internet sharing app. In simple terms, when you download and install Honeygain, you give the app permission to share a small portion of your unused internet bandwidth. So basically, when you're browsing the internet, a small portion of your internet bandwidth is shared with other people who need it. In return, Honeygain pays you money for allowing them to use your internet connection. Companies use this shared bandwidth for things like web intelligence, price comparison, content delivery, and market research. So basically, Honeygain acts as a middleman between people who have extra internet bandwidth and companies who need it. They allow these companies to buy this bandwidth from you, and in return they pay you money for each gigabyte of data that they sell. And it's all done in a completely automated and secure way. So you don't have to worry about anything. The best thing about this is that you can earn money from anywhere in the world. There's no restriction on where you live. And the second best thing is that there's no limit on how much you can earn. The more people that use your internet connection, the more money you'll make. And it's completely passive income. You don't have to lift a finger. All you have to do is download the app, install it, and then let it run in the background. Now you might be wondering, how much money can I actually make with Honeygain? Well, that's where it gets interesting. It all depends on your internet speed and the number of devices you connect, but the average person can make anywhere from $20 to $50 per month by just letting this app run in the background. And that's not bad at all, especially considering it takes less than 2 minutes to set up and it's completely passive income. Now let me show you how to sign up and start earning with Honeygain. First, simply go to the website to download Honeygain. You can download it on Windows, Mac OS, Android, and even your router. Once you've downloaded the app, simply install it and create an account with your email address. You'll even get a $5 welcome bonus when you register. Then just let the app run in the background and you'll start earning immediately. Make sure to connect up to 10 devices on the same network to increase your earnings potential. Now I'm going to show you how you can earn money with Honeygain. When you log into your Honeygain account, you'll see your current balance of credits. Keep in mind that 1,000 credits equals $1. You can earn credits by sharing your internet connection. But you can also earn additional credits by participating in offers and surveys. However, most of the earnings will come from sharing your internet connection. Some locations also support content delivery, which pays even more. Additionally, you can spin the lucky jar once every 24 hours to win free credits. Don't forget about referrals as well. You can invite your friends to Honeygain and earn 10% of their income forever. Finally, let me show you how to cash out your earnings. Once you've accumulated enough credits, you can cash out to your PayPal account, or you can choose to receive your payment in Bitcoin. You can also withdraw your funds as JumpTask tokens, which can be purchased with PayPal or crypto. There is no minimum limit for JumpTask tokens, so you can cash out your earnings as soon as you want. So that's it. If you want to try out Honeygain, I recommend trying it for at least a few weeks to see how much you can earn. It's completely free and there's no risk involved. If you don't like it, you can always uninstall it. But I know you won't after seeing how much money it can make. So definitely give it a shot and try it out today. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on, so that you never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.